In this exercise, we'll find the slope or rate of change of a graph. To find the slope or rate of change of a graph, we can use any 2 points on the graph. But since this graph has axes that are labeled with units, we can give the rate of change in units as well. So let's look at what's the units that are labeled. The horizontal axis is labeled in time, minutes, and the vertical axis is labeled in distance, in kilometers. Since the slope is the change in y over the change in x, the units for rate of change will be the y units, kilometers, over the x units, minutes. So to find the slope, we want to use the idea of the change in y, or the change in the vertical direction, over the change in x, or the change in the horizontal direction. And that, we need to find 2 points on the line. Well, the 2 points are given obviously, the point 10, 0 and the point 25, 12. I'll write those points up here so it's easier to see. The change in y I can find by subtracting 12 minus 0. That's subtracting the y coordinates. The change in x I can find by subtracting x coordinates in the same order in which I subtracted the y coordinates. So that would be 25 minus 10. That gives me 12 15ths, which simplifies to 4/5. Since I'm given units, I can write the slope of the line without units would be 4/5. The rate of change would then be 4/5 kilometers per minute.